Hello everybody, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna get this cuticle pusher and I'm gonna push all of my cuticles. You want to make sure your cuticles are pushed all the way back. If you have a lot of cuticle and it's hard, you might want to soak your fingers before. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my nails. I only have like 3 long nails, so I'm just gonna cut those off. And you want to make sure that they're not like too short, so just have a little bit of nail on there. And then I'm just gonna file it. You want to file your nails because you want to take off the dead skin. Well, not skin, the dead what's it called, like the dead nail bed off. And then I'm gonna use the Kiss, it's called Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. This one's the one that you can buy like at Walmart or any like local store. And just put a little bit on the actual nail. I'm going to put some on my nail just because my thumb's a little bit bigger. And I'm going to just put it on there and press it on. Hence the name press on nails. Just hold it there for a little bit. And just make sure that you see my finger was getting stuck. Just make sure you feel that it's stuck to your nail. And then just like, I tried to pull on it a little bit. And then it's fine. So there was a little piece of my cuticle that I didn't take off, so I'm going to take that off. You see? You make sure it's good, and then you're going to do the same thing for the other nails. So I'm going to fast forward that part for you. Sorry, I'm talking a little funny. Recently I got braces, and I'm still getting used to it. Okay, so then I'm just going to do that. And this is the glue method, because there is another method to put these on, which are some little, that you put on some glue patches on the nail, and that way you can just wear them for, let's say, like the weekend party, or like if you work and then you can't wear those, but you want to like look cute on the weekend, you want to wear those, you can use those. I'll do another video using those, but this is the glue method. With this method, these nails should last you up to a week, 7 to 10 days. Sometimes it could be longer. It just depends how much you use your hands and how much you get your hands wet. If you don't do much of like lifting heavy stuff, or like if you're a dishwasher, obviously they're not gonna last that long. But they should be on your nails for at least a week. I just did these yesterday and I'm really, really liking how they look. They honestly look like I just went to the salon and got them done. And that's how they look. They look pretty cute. I have dark hands. Sorry about that. These color makes my hands look darker. But that's how you do them, ladies. So if you're interested in some of these babies, just let me know. Message me, follow me on social media. Direct message me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, ask questions, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, ladies. Have a good day.